Hey, good morning students. In today's video we are going to study about oil diffusion pump, right? And this oil diffusion pump works on the principle of transfer of kinetic energy, and it is operated with an oil of low vapor pressure, and this is sorry, you can see the schematic of oil diffusion pump, right? It has an inlet and baffle, oil cap, nozzle, cooling lines, outlet and heater at the down, and oil reservoir, right? So in detail, let's go for the next slide. So this oil diffusion pumps are used when high degree of vacuum is in compression to rotary pump is needed. In this pump, kinetic energy or momentum is imparted to a gas molecule. This momentum is used in explaining the gas molecule from the system, and vacuum is created, right? Essentially, this consists of a chamber housing oil vessel with a heater, chimney and nozzle. So oil vessel with heater is, here is a heater at the bottom, right? And here is a nozzle, right? And chimney is here, right? On chamber's outer surface, cooling coil carry water are wound. The chamber is surrounded with a cooling coil, right? And this cooling coil carries a water. So these kind of pumps are most effective when operated in free molecular regime. In partial applications, it is coupled with a backing pump. Now let's go for the working of this oil diffusion pump. The heater vaporizes the oil, and these hot vapors rise into the chimney. The hot vapors are deflected downwards by a regular nozzle or a jet assembly mounted at the top of the chimney. This jet moving downwards at supersonic speed which imparts momentum to randomly moving gas molecules in chamber. This momentum deflects the molecules towards the pump outlet, and in other words I can say this momentum gives the direction to the randomly moving molecules towards the pump exit, right? And the pump exit is on this side, outlet, right? So the vacuum pump is constantly used to remove the gas molecules, and the hot coil condensed on cooled walls and returns to the vessel at the bottom. What are the drawbacks or disadvantages of this oil diffusion pump? One of the drawback or disadvantage of this pump is diffusion pump is the backstreaming of oil. This occurs when pump oil molecule moves above the upper position of the jet. This causes contamination of the vacuum chamber. Chilled baffles or cold trap is used to prevent the flow of oil molecules into the vacuum chamber, right? And let's go for some characteristics of oil diffusion pump. So this graph drawn here shows the variation of a pump speed with the pressure. The pump speed is generally measured in meter cube per hour, and we know that the pressure is measured in ters or in millibar. The ultimate pressure depends on vapor pressure of the oil, pump design, and gas load from vacuum space. Right. So this is just a small some characteristics of oil diffusion pump, its working and principle. So hope you have understood the principle, working and characteristics of oil diffusion pump, right? Let's go some more facts about the diffusion pump. Diffusion pump is effective in free molecular regime, right, where its pressure is up to 10 to the power minus 3 torrs and its mean free path is large, right? As the vacuum is high, the mean free path, the molecules will be less in the chamber and therefore the mean free path will be large. The initial pump down of the system is done using a rotary pump with backing valve closed and roughing valve opened position. The gas is pumped out of the system. When the pressure in the system falls well below to the 10 to the power minus 3 torr, to ensure the free molecular regime, the diffusion pump is put to use this backing valve open and roughing valve is at closed position respectively. The gas is pumped out of the system. So the the main principle behind this is that before using the oil diffusion pump, you should use first a rotary pump, right? And the schematic of this is represented nearby over here, right? So this is all about the oil diffusion pump. Thank you.